Welcome to this tutorial Pric platform. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to create a dashboard. Here, you will find the option to connect scanner devices using the Scanner Device Connect toggle. Enable this toggle if you plan to use scanning devices for entry verification. To create a new entrance manager, click on the Add Entrance Manager button. This will open a form where you need to fill in all the necessary details. Start by entering a unique name for your entrance manager. This could be something like Event Entrance Gate 1 or any identifier you prefer. Scroll down to the Allowed Ticket Type section. Select Tickets ED, select All or Business Development Networking Meet 2024. You can select specific tickets or use the Select All option for all ticket types. Highlight the Notes section. Enter sample text ED. This gate is for VIP attendees only. Once you've filled in all the information, click on the Submit button to save your entrance manager. You'll see a confirmation message once it's successfully created. Now that your entrance manager is created, you can generate entry links for buyers. These links can be shared with ENTA's manual, allowing them to scan and gain entry at the event. Now click on the Scan Now button. Hold your phone over the ticket's QR code and the system instantly displays the buyer's details, name, ticket type, and more, all on your screen. What happens if someone tries to use the same ticket again? No worries. If the QR code is scanned again, the system will notify you immediately. This QR code has already been scanned. And that's it. The entrance manager makes event check-ins hassle-free. Thank you for watching.